Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holt with V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here today with the K&L Supply MC455 Jack, aka the Fatjack and Dolly. As you can see, this thing is a little bit wider than most of your pancake jacks that you get on the market today. But the best thing about this combo is it's big enough to get underneath bigger bagger frames and things like that. But then it fits inside this dolly real nicely. And once it's under your bike, you can wheel it all around. I've used these a lot over the past, 20 years of working on bikes, and they've always been good. And decided I needed a brand new one out here in Phoenix. So here it is. You'll see it in probably every bike build we do from here on out. So K&L Supply, Fatjack and Dolly, V-Twin Visionary.